Welcome back to another step closer to you becoming the man. I myself have been on self-improvement for several years now and know what it takes to really create a connection with a high-value woman without having the model-like looks that people expect get you girls. But don't get it twisted. I've made my fair share of mistakes too, and hope the information provided will prevent these happening to you. We will be discussing the 3 pillars that I used and that will make you irresistible to any woman. Pillar number 1 is energy. Women are attracted to a man that has the losing with confidence mentality and the overflowing energy to be able to do this. When we talk about energy, I'm not talking about acting like a clown or let any feminine energy you have run free. Think of gorillas. The alpha gorilla gets all the females due to being the most powerful leader with the energy and confidence to stand up against the other male gorillas who are left with nothing. Let it be known to you guys that there are alphas among us humans as well, but most are betas because the modern world takes away this energy in forms such as putting sexual content in front of you, consuming heaps of medication and more. You can boost your energy for free by getting sunlight, getting good sleep, and hitting the gym, which will therefore boost your testosterone. High-value alpha males usually have high testosterone, which allows them to put energy into that attractive winning mentality. Pillar 2, we have charisma. Charisma and energy are not the same thing. A charismatic guy is perceived as both likable and powerful, which serves an irresistible combination that make women go crazy. With charisma, you will be able to command a room and hence will draw other to you to convince them of your ideas. Women love this. Once again, you are being perceived as a leader and high value women love this. Now, charisma isn't something that you are born with like people think. You can develop yourself into a man with powerful magnetism. I did this by listening more than I talk to look more mysterious, making a woman feel good by asking her questions, maintaining eye contact, smile, frown, nod, and respond. Non-verbally communicating with a woman allows you to show her the power and dominance you possess, rather than constantly talking, making your words less meaningful and giving too much away, therefore losing the mystery. Third pillar, 3. You gotta start leveling up your clothes and the way you smell. First impressions do matter. Women will always judge a book by its cover. Then they'll begin to open the book. If you give off a vulgar smell or look homeless, you will not be attractive to any girl. As well as that, make sure to shower every day. For oral hygiene, make sure to grab yourself a town scraper. No girl, no matter how attractive you are, will want to be with you if you got bad breath. Now we can get into cologne. Find your signature scent that people will always recognize and know you by. Shop around and find one that suits you. When it comes to dressing well, I like to take into account my physique because 2 men can wear the same outfit, but still look different on one another. Hence, you should find a style that suits you. A style that all women seem to be craving right now is the old money style. If you are interested in learning how to perfect this style, then click this video, but don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to continue your journey to becoming a man.